Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start immediately by isolating power and verifying zero voltage, safety first. Once done, remove the terminal box cover so you can see the lugs and any stamped markings. Set your multimeter to continuity or low-range ohms and test it on a known resistor to confirm function. Make quick photos and gather labels or tape to mark leads as you work. You want clear visibility and a reliable meter. This prevents wasted steps later and keeps you safe while you identify each terminal. You now determine which wires belong to each winding. For three-phase motors, measure resistance between U, V, W pairs. Values should be low and similar. Unequal readings mean a fault. For single-phase, locate the common, run, and start by resistance. The common will show similar ohms to both others, while start winding usually reads higher. Once done, use continuity to confirm no winding is grounded. Make notes. Label each terminal U1, U2, etc., or C, R, S so you avoid later confusion. You finish by permanently marking terminals and reconnecting per the motor plate or wiring diagram. Make sure all nuts are torqued and insulation sits correctly. Once connected, power the motor with no load and observe rotation direction and current. Compare to nameplate values. If rotation is wrong, swap two phases, then retest. Troubleshooting tip. If resistance readings vary widely or current is excessive, stop immediately. Inspect for shorted windings, damaged leads, or a locked rotor before restoring normal service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.